If you love French beans like I do, then this recipe is a must try. Absolutely delicious, yet so easy to make. Let's get started. So here is a good number of everything that you're going to need. I have the veggies and I have just cut them to my preferred sizes and shapes. After that, we are moving on to the stove top to start cooking the onions. And when cooking my French beans, I do not like to cook the onions all through to be golden brown. So I just cook for a minute until they are translucent and soft. Then add garlic and add salt. The salt, in my opinion, helps the garlic to cook faster, because I have seen in instances when I don't add salt, the garlic cooks slower. So after that, I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And you're going to give this mixture a very good start to ensure that everything comes together nicely and that everything is, the onions are coated with the tomato paste and with the garlic and with the salt, looking good. Now moving on, add your spices at this point. If you've got pilau masala, please add it in there. That's what I used, and I like pilau masala because it is a blend of my favorite spices, and I like to add it to my veggies. It makes the veggies taste even 10 times better. So I add my chicken breast that I have cut into cubes, and then I'm just going to give this a good stir. And to allow the chicken to cook well, I'm just going to add a glass of water. Now, since this is a chicken flavored recipe, I also added some chicken cubes to that and give it a good stir off camera though. So I'm just going to give the mixture a very good stir, and then we're going to cover the pot and allow the chicken to cook. You can use chicken thighs, but I preferred to use the boneless chicken breasts. Now at this point, you can check the chicken. After like 20 to 25 minutes, the chicken should be ready like this, and I was cooking on low flame. And after just a small amount of water is left, like you see here on the video, you're going to start adding your veggies. So like you can see, this is the preferred amount of water. Most of it has evaporated, like you can see. So I just went ahead and added the carrots. The carrots are big, like you can see, and also carrots tend to be tough when cooking. So I prefer to add them first before adding the other veggies so that they can soften up before adding the other veggies. So give everything a stir and keep checking for seasoning and adjusting the salt accordingly. And after cooking the carrots for like 2 minutes, I added the French beans, and you can see the sizes that I have cut. I do not like to cut very big ones, mainly because my children do not love the big ones. They like the small sizes. So I just went ahead and added the French beans, give that a good stir, added a half glass of water to allow the French beans to cook. Now, if you do not like your French beans to overcook, please do not add any water like I have added. Just cook until the carrots have softened, and after softening, now the French beans will just cook for like 3 minutes and they will be ready. If you love them crunchy, and if you like them to soften up a little bit, like in my case, cook them with some water. Now I went ahead and added the bell peppers, the red, the green and the yellow, like you can see, and also I added some dhania, that is coriander, and then give that a good mix. Guys, just look at those beautiful colors coming together nicely. I just love this. So give everything a good mix, added some salt, and then added like 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. If I had more, I could have added, but unfortunately I just had that amount remaining. You do not have to add soy sauce, but if you've got it at hand, please add it. It elevates this meal. So just cover that, and until everything is cooked, do not overcook the veggies. Just cook them until they are soft. And this is the final outcome, guys. I served this over white rice and it was absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching.